It's Deepanchi, and I was part of the Web3 cohort by Lipsa and Anish. For me, this course is a value bomb because every concept was broken down in such a simple manner. Like they literally took the pains to break down every complex word, or whether it's a definition, whether it's a word, whether it's a concept. Everything was explained in such an efficient manner. The pitching, where to pitch, how to pitch, and the tools that they gave us. It saves a lot of time. The best part that I liked about this workshop was that the course is all about practical knowledge and hands-on training. Whatever you are learning, you're implementing all those things. And the source of truth, where to research, how to research. Because Web3 world is always changing and you have to move accordingly to that. So that helped a lot to understand whether the information is correct or not and how to prove that. So I started my 2023 and with this course and this workshop, and it was the best decision ever. So if you're someone who is just starting out in this Web3 world, or who had a little bit of experience but did not have a very good experience with this world, then just go for it because you won't be regretting it.